Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your operating system and backing up any wallpapers or layout settings you want to keep. Once done, open Settings. On Windows, use Start Settings or right-click the desktop. On Mac OS, use System Preferences. Make sure you have the image files available or the folder path memorized, because you'll point the system to those files next. This prepares the environment and avoids interruptions when replacing backgrounds or adjusting home screen elements. Now change the visual elements. Go to Background or Desktop and Screensaver. You can pick a single picture, a slideshow folder, a solid color, or dynamic/text-to-picture features. Choose the file or folder, then set how it fits the screen, fill, fit, stretch, center, and configure per monitor options if you use multiple displays. Also adjust icon spacing and grid alignment if needed. Make these choices deliberately so your home screen looks consistent across resolutions and orientations. Finish by applying changes and, if necessary, signing out or restarting to ensure everything loads correctly. Make sure your shortcuts and widgets are positioned where you want them, then save a new backup. If something goes wrong, icons misplaced, odd scaling, or black background, restore the backup first. If that fails, update your graphics drivers, check display scaling settings, and reset background preferences in Settings. These steps resolve most issues quickly and get your home screen back to normal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.